everyone. The pitch or slope of a roof is dependent upon the span length of the base of the roof and the height of the top of the roof, the apex, above the base. So this is the apex of the roof right there. Here's the pitch or the slope. We're going to use the diagram to answer the questions that follow. We're also going to use our triangle inequality theorem, because what we have here is this is actually the span right here. They put it right here, but this is where it's at. So we need to find the range that x could be. So the x. So using our triangle inequality theorem, we could say 25 plus 30 has to be greater than x. So 55 has to be greater than x, or we can say x is less than 55. Now, 55. So now we have to determine the lower end of the inequality. And we're going to do the same thing with our triangle inequality theorem. And we're going to do x plus 25 has to be greater than 30. So x, if you subtract 25 from both sides, has to be greater than 5. And that's what this says. X is greater than 5, but less than 55. So this is going to be 5 feet by 55 feet. Now, this is what this is saying. As the span of the roof decreases, the rise. We have a span that is in between here. If this length here decreases, then the rise of the roof is going to increase, because you have less room to put your 25 and 30 feet. So it's going to increase in order to get the 25 and the 30 feet inside, the 25 and the 30. So that's going to be an increase. The rise, remember, that's like the slope. So it increases. Now, as the rise gets lower, for, let's say, both sides. So here's your normal roof. But as the rise gets lower, this is your rise. If it gets lower like this, then the angle is going to be bigger than the original angle. So at the apex here, the angle is going to also increase. Now it's saying, can the span of the roof be 54 feet? So all you do is plug that in and see if this is true. And 54 is in between 5 and 55, so this is true. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.